Hi there, teachers. This is Jody from Imperative Education. Thank you for downloading this 3-lesson pack. Let me just briefly explain how to use it and some ideas for you. Now, the reason why I created this is because teachers always hear that they should be teaching about social emotional learning, and you kind of are just by connecting with students, talking about their emotions and getting to know them. But sometimes to actually have specific lessons on skills that are supposed to be, developed through social emotional learning, you're not quite sure. And let's face it, who has time to create more lessons that aren't even really curriculum based? And as a social emotional guru that I know says, social emotional learning is not adding to the plate, it is the plate. So with that in mind, let me just explain how to use this 3-lesson pack. The first lesson that you're going to see, and you don't have to do it in any given order, this is just how I organize them for this pack, is on our 2021 agreements, because it's January still. And in January, we also have a theme. I have monthly themes for this whole social emotional learning kit. And for January, the theme is to believe. And let's start by believing in ourselves. So we do that when we actually could plan things, execute them, and observe our own growth. We want to give students the chance to do that on their own, to take ownership over their own lives. So the 2021 agreements is agreements rather than resolutions, because resolutions, they don't seem to last that long, but agreements maybe will, I hope so. So here they make some agreements with themselves, but they really get to self-inquire about their own life right now and areas of change they'd like to see for 2021. The second one is mindfulness. And let's be clear, mindfulness should be like everywhere, all the time, and before every lesson, but I'm not going to force that on you. I'm just going to say I guided a meditation for this mindfulness lesson. It's Mindfulness 101, and I explained the importance of taking breaks from thinking, and not just by mindlessly watching TV or scrolling on our phones, but really consciously moving our thoughts down toward focusing on the body and the breath. And simply by doing that, giving ourselves a break, we really do relax, and we really do find some calm and some peace, very much necessary right now, particularly since there seems to be a low level of anxiety within each and every one of us these days. And then finally, there's a fun one, but not so fun when you think about it. It's called Destroying Our Demons, because we all have this voice in our head that says all sorts of nasty things to us, and we take it as truth. But thoughts are not truths, they're thoughts. And we can unchoose some thoughts, and the more we do so, the less of an impact they have on us, particularly on our self-esteem and confidence. So the ones on that is that they're going to do an art exercise, they're going to draw, and then they're going to destroy that demon and conquer it. So those are the 3 lessons for January. There will absolutely be more coming up. I certainly hope you use them and that your students gain a lot from them. And when you're doing the exercises, if there's writing and journal writing and honesty, it's a good idea to play some nice music. Don't forget that there's a video before each lesson. Just play that if you don't feel like explaining it to your students. And so do the exercise along with them. I know that when I also teach adults, they really appreciate these little tools and these ways to improve our lives. And that's what social and emotional learning is, and offers ways for us to improve very important aspects of our life. So please have a wonderful January. Enjoy. Feel free to share this, and don't forget to follow Imperative Education on YouTube, on Instagram, and on Facebook. And thank you for joining this wonderful, thriving community. Have a fabulous January.